Hi, it's Dr. Doug Curtis.
And Lucy Curtis from Dyslexic and Unstoppable, here to help you rediscover your inner power.
All right, so today we're starting the first of our video series on dyslexia and ADHD. Why did we decide to do this video?
Because when our son was having difficulty with reading, he was showing symptoms of, what happened is I was at the office and I started looking at this sheet, which is the sheet that you diagnose ADHD with, and I started looking at it and I thought, oh my gosh, you got all the symptoms.
Right.
So that's how we started thinking that sometimes it can be misinterpreted, and then so eventually we realized that he had dyslexia, and by fixing and overcoming the dyslexia, all these symptoms went away. So we just want to make sure that people realize that it can sometimes be interpreted a different ways.
And I see this with my patients too. Actually, they'll come into the office and their parents or the teacher will say, he's fidgeting, he's not paying attention, he's, doesn't go do his homework, he won't stay on task. They think it's ADHD and they want it checked, and then you start doing some further testing, some further talking to the patient, to the parent, and it becomes clear that it is actually dyslexia. So anyway, we wrote up here some of the features of the two of them. And when we look at this, it doesn't look like they're very similar, right? I mean...
Yeah, with dyslexia, it's difficulty reading, learning to read, difficulty with accurate word recognition, and poor decoding abilities.
Right.
The dyslexic reading that. Difficulty in spelling and difficulty with handwriting.
Right.
That's one of the things is when you if you don't go further than the symptom,
Right.
you can be misled. Right?
Exactly.
So if you can go ahead with
So yeah, in ADHD, again, the definition is difficulty paying attention, difficulty following through with tasks, easily distracted, and impulsivity. But again, those look very different, but we'll see in this video series how they're actually, they overlap. So what we're going to do in this video series is we're going to go through this. This is the Vanderbilt assessment scale. It's one of the scales that we do for diagnosing ADHD. And we'll go through each of the different things, and we'll talk about how that shows up in ADHD and how that shows up in dyslexia, and maybe how you can tell the difference. So look for that soon, and rediscover your inner power with Sparky. Thanks.
Thank you.